Today I'm going to show you how to cheat in any Android game and get unlimited monies and gems in all games where that's possible. To spend it on frivolous things such as containers. Yes, open. Oh, ooh, ah, nice. Yeah. And unlock all the most expensive things. 19 million, let's go. You get a car. You get a car. Everybody gets a car. One more. As you can see, having a billion gold is not so much when one car costs 24 million. And while having all the best stuff in an Android game might not make you happy, I can guarantee that it is a lot of fun. So with all that being said, how do you start cheating in your favorite Android games? The first thing you're gonna want to do is find out what kinds of cheats are possible. I'm playing a little game called Hill Climb Racing right now, and I'm gonna use this as an example. So what you're gonna want to do after you're done enjoying all the free coins here is Google or search your game and HackerBot. And then you want to go to our cheats page for Hill Climb Racing in this case, or whatever game you're looking to cheat in your case. On this page you will find screenshots and in-depth explanations of what kinds of cheats are possible, but you're going to want to go to the table where all the possible cheats are outlined. So in this case we have unlimited money, unlimited gems, unlimited paints. Everything is theoretically possible. That doesn't mean that it actually exists, but the more popular a game is, the more likely you're gonna find all these that are possible here for your game. In this case, the game is highly offline based, so a lot of values are processed on your device, which means they can be changed. So head back to the top of the page and click the link Find Cheats. This will bring you to the tool at hackerbot.net that allows you to find cheats from legitimate providers, no fakes and scams such as you will find a lot of them on Google, sadly. So in this case, this is an offline game and it is not a shooter, so it is an other. And let's start the tool. Search for cheats. Now on this screen we need to specify the operating system that we want. In this case I'm using an Android emulator, so I'm going for Android. I'm looking for a mod. If you're not sure what you're looking for, go for the first option here, or for other and all if you don't know where you're playing on. Go for Find Legit Cheats and you will be presented with a plethora of legitimate sources with a proven track record of providing clean and working cheats, and you can take your pick where you want to download your mod. My personal favorites are SBenny and of course Platin Mods, but there are many other legitimate providers such as Game Guardian, the one here, Guided Hacking, and many more that you can browse through. At this point you simply click the one that you want most, download it, install it, and you will have just the thing that I have right here. In some games unlimited money is possible, as you can see right here. These are generally games that process all the important values on the client, which is your device that you're playing the game on, and not on the game servers, which is a computer that the developers of the game own and that you connect to through the internet. If we take, for example, Roblox, this is an online game, and as you can see, unlimited money is not possible because this game is not possible to play without an internet connection, and it processes premium currencies, especially on the online servers. However, many other cheats are still possible. However, your game also needs to be pretty popular in order for there to be cheats. So something like, for example, Raid Shadow Legends will have a lot more cheats than something like, for example, Frag Pro Shooter. More players means more cheats, which means it's easier to get them. So TLDR, in order to get cheats for Android games, just simply go over to hackerbot.net and start using the tool by entering the name of your game and go through the process, and you shall find what you're looking for. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys have learned something. Head over to hackerbot.net for Android cheats for any game, and I'll see you guys next time.